Hi, I'm Krista Wilds, clinical psychologist and trauma expert. I hope you'll join me for my course, Complex PTSD, Unraveling Layers of Trauma. In this course, we're going to challenge some of the outdated notions of trauma and explore the complexity that we often encounter in the therapy space. We'll bring together the layers such as neurobiology, attachment, dissociation, and more to help inform our understanding and practice. I look forward to participants walking away with an increased breadth and depth of knowledge concerning the many layers of complex PTSD, as well as interventions and approaches to take back to your clients, all helping you to feel more confident and competent in treating CPTSD. I can't wait to see you for the live course on April 18th and 19th, but if those dates don't work for you, it's not a problem. The course will also be available on demand after the live date. Thanks so much. Take care.